Southeast Asian Education Trust offer you unparalleled opportunity for multidisciplinary education. A top-ranked institution operating within the largest research university. You will work side by side with faculty who are shaping your goal. With path-breaking research at the C Education Trust, economic and behavioral models are equally valued.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Azmat. I have opted information science as a part of my educational career. I have joined C College through common entrance exam. As a fresher of this college, my experience is still optimistic. Our college infrastructure is a significant thing. All the playgrounds are available inside the campus itself. Labs are well maintained. Our college library has a vast collection of all possible books for the students. Classrooms can comfortably accommodate 60 plus students. We're coming to faculty members are very supportive towards us. They give their very best to us for every teaching. Hence, overall experience of the college is well and good till date. Thank you.
C group of institutions started in the year 1999-2000. We are having a school to engineering, school, international school, PU college, PU integrated college, degree college, nursing college, law college, then engineering college. Engineering we have a specialization like a civil, mechanical, electronics, computer science, artificial intelligence and also this one IoT. So when you come to masters we have a MTech and research centers. MBA we have management courses like MBA, BBA aviation, again BHM, then BCom logistics. That's are the new courses. We are added with PD diploma in health sciences, then allied sciences, physiotherapy. All new courses are added recently. Though these the management are having a experience in running the institutions in the 1973. Our first group of institution was started in the year 1973. This is our second group of institution. Then the campus consists of 40 acres campus with both the facilities like indoor and outdoor. Like we give a more thrust for the sports. Sports we have a indoor basketball, indoor shuttle courts, indoor TT, then indoor snooker table, outdoor basketball, kabaddi, cricket ground. Like this we have a Maverick Cricket Academy also we are running in the campus. So we concentrate for the student, for the both overall development of the student physically and also mentally. We give almost 80-90% placement. In the time of COVID also we are given more than 60% placement in our campus. So we give a strict rules here in the campus. The management are having a more experience like me. I worked as a police officer and also my basic degree is engineering and MTech. I did my master's MBA. So I worked as a KS officer, Karnataka Administrative Service for 13.5 years. So that family, almost we are running education institutions from 1970.
I am extremely delighted to welcome you to the most prestigious Southeast Asian Educational Trust. This is a trust established by the Honorable A. Krishnappa ji, who was the Minister of Government of Karnataka 3 times earlier, and he has with a lot of vision established this one in 2000. And we have 10 institutions under this group from giving education from undergraduation to that of post-graduation and also from kindergarten to post-graduation. So we have almost every course that is being offered here from class 1 to class 10 under two syllabus. One is the state syllabus and the other is ICSE, and we have a degree college which is offering undergraduation and post-graduation courses. We have a nursing college, we have a college of law, and we have the engineering offering both undergraduate and postgraduate courses in BE and MTech. And in addition, we have 6 research centers which have been offering the research facilities leading to doctoral degree, PhD, that is called say Doctor of Philosophy. And we also have many other research centers established in the engineering college and also at the post-graduation college. This is a very big prestigious group and welcoming you to join with us for a better education.